Hey there! Is your iPhone camera acting up by showing flipped or inverted images and videos? Don't stress, I'm here to help. In today's video, I'll walk you through some easy and effective ways to resolve the inverted camera problem on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Turn off Mirror Front Camera. First, go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit until you find the camera option. After that, tap on Camera to open its settings. Now look for the Mirror Front Camera option and toggle it up. Finally, open the Camera app to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Turn off Restrictions. To start, open the Settings app again. Then scroll down until you find Screen Time and tap on it. After that, scroll down to find Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now go ahead and turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. And there you have it. That's how you can fix the inverted camera issue on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks a bunch for watching and happy snapping!